welcome back. As you know, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Grant.
And this is Day Ray Coquinaria. So, as you see, this is our dish. It looks delicious, doesn't it?
These are our amazing sauteed green beans.
Basically, what you did while you were away, we put it in a pan with all the spices and the green beans, as you saw. And then we were sauteing them. And, well, if you want the green beans to be crunchier, well, you should have them on the saute thing for less time. If you want them to be really soft, put them on for longer. So, yeah. And so why don't we try this, Grant?
Okay.
Looks delicious.
Mmm.
I want some more of that. Oh,
This is really good. Wow. And while you're eating like a pig, stay tuned for the next episode of Day Ray Coquinaria. See you later.
Adios.